On February 4th, iQOO is about to introduce its very first Ultra phone to the world, the iQOO 15 Ultra. We've already seen the official renders and teaser video, but now a real-world video from Ice Universe changes everything, because this isn't just a render anymore. This is the actual device, and it's making a statement before it even turns on. The moment you look at the back panel, it hits different. There's this bold hexagonal pattern that doesn't just sit there, it reacts. As light moves across it, the colors shift and dance, giving the phone a dynamic, almost futuristic vibe. It's the kind of finish that makes you tilt the phone back and forth just to watch it glow. Run your thumb along the right side and you'll find the familiar power button and volume rocker, but then something unexpected. Shoulder triggers. Yes, physical triggers right there on the frame, instantly telling you this phone means business when it comes to gaming. Flip to the left side and things get even more interesting. There's an actual air outlet here, because the iQOO 15 Ultra doesn't just rely on passive cooling, it packs an active cooling fan inside, pushing hot air out in real time when things heat up. Down at the bottom, everything is neatly laid out. A USB-C port for charging and data, the SIM tray, a primary microphone, and a speaker grill. Move to the top and you'll spot another microphone, another speaker grill, and an IR blaster. Small details, but the kind that power users always appreciate. Even the camera island refuses to blend in. Its design is clearly different from the regular iQOO 15, and you'll notice air vents at the bottom of the module, reinforcing that this phone is built for sustained performance, not just short bursts. Now, while iQOO is still keeping the full spec sheet under wraps, it has already confirmed some heavy-hitting features. The display is a 2K panel that can hit a jaw-dropping 8,000 nits of peak brightness, with Dolby Vision support for that extra punch in contrast and color. Gaming goes up to 144 FPS, backed by a dedicated Q3 gaming chip to keep frame rates smooth and responsive. Audio doesn't take a back seat either, with stereo speakers tuned for Dolby Atmos, promising immersive sound whether you're gaming or watching content. Under the hood, leaks are filling in the blanks. Geekbench points to the iQOO 15 Ultra being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. If that's accurate, this phone isn't just aiming to be fast, it's aiming to stay fast even under pressure. And here's the thing, this is iQOO's first Ultra phone. That word carries weight, and everything we're seeing, the active cooling, the shoulder triggers, the extreme brightness, the performance focus, suggests they're not using it lightly. We're just days away now. Next Wednesday, the curtain lifts completely, and we'll finally see if the iQOO 15 Ultra lives up to the hype it's been quietly building. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.